Hello, we are back again, episode 9, and getting all this electrics in, some finishing touches and stuff on the car. Well, not finishing touches, but trying to get to that stage, we'll say. So, going to concentrate just getting this ECU bracket and the main power terminal, getting that fixed properly. Then we're going to get interior, get the main power cable through into where the battery is located now on the inside. Hopefully get the driver's steering wheel and seat in, and neaten up to get the rain light as well, get that wired in, and yeah, we'll go from there. So let's tackle this front end first. We're just going to space it off the ECU, some carbon rod, and we'll come off the other way for the little switchboard thing. And then, yeah, looking good. Alright, so we cut a little carbon tube. What am I doing? Doing it wrong. Slide that on. Looking good. Okay. Boom. So obviously I'll tighten all that up, and that'll be looking nice there. And what we're going to do, we're going to probably drill 2 here, space that off, and have the electrical bit, like I said, come in here, and that'll look pretty tasty. Awesome. So just finishing off this little thing. It's looking pretty smart. I'll do a close-up in a sec. Little contraption. It's nice. So just looking at getting these power cables through from under the engine to the battery and the isolator and all that. So yeah, drill the hole, see if we were in the right spot, and yeah, we were. So continue drilling and crack on. Currently underneath the dash, drill some holes. Ooh, look at that. Nice. Yeah, we're just drilling some holes, getting these 3 bulkhead fittings through, and yeah. Here it is from the other side. If it focuses, there we go. Looking good. So we're just doing a bit of soldering, making up the front dash, which you'll see now. Oh, nice. The back of our dashes. Looking sweet. Getting them finer details. We said she's in now. Wire's in. Looks naughty, that. The little things. She is getting there. Hey, Joe. So this is going here. I'm just going to run these cables down there, one to here, and then one off it goes. So yeah, we'll do that. So what I'm doing is just getting all the fire covers on the cables, feeding this one underneath the passenger seat up into the dash for the switches. So I've got electronic fire extinguisher instead of the standard pole cables. So we're having obviously wiring the buttons in instead of running pole cable. So that is me sorted on the interior. Just need to give it a little clean. But oh, I cut them 2 cable ties. But look at that. Leave them. Well happy with that. Goes up, gets into the dash then. Ready. So waiting for him to sort the power to me. And we'll put the wheels on. Before we do that, we're painting the discs. So we put this little stripe of 3 different colours on. And when it changes colour, you know what temperature your discs are running at. So if I'm overheating my discs a bit too much, we'll find out. So yeah, cool. There's the stripe of red. Yeah, very cool that. Wheels are on, dropped it down, and she's a little bit too low on the front. So we'll raise that tomorrow. It's looking nice. So we won't be able to stand it because my handwriting's terrible, but we have a list of tomorrow's jobs. So big day tomorrow, just me and Joe here, so we'll smash it out. So yeah, that is us for the Saturday. Good day, nice bit of wiring done. It's looking really nice. Ooh, I know what I haven't shown you. Look at these little bad boys. So we got our fire extinguisher kill switch buttons. Looking sweet. So yeah, happy. So we're back. Got a few things to do today. So we've got the suspension to adjust, add the tow eyes, tidy the wiring, make a loom from the rain light to the dash, remove aerial, and install our comms aerial. Remove the timer from the Audi, install that, install the headset, camera, and add the fuel clips as well. So yeah, crack on. Let's have a go with this suspension. So what I need, Joe, is this down here, this thing. I want that, yeah?
Yep.
The solo timer.
So I just need to undo the...
So he needs that, the carbon plate.
And the pipe needs...
The cable is part of him. It's his thing, yeah? So we just adjusted the suspension, the front end. Raised it up about 1 inch. Well, on the suspension 1 inch, let's see how much I've raised it. So what we're on now is sorting out these final cables. So we'll have 3 from the rain light all the way to the dash. Got the aerial, and yeah, to get all this looking sweet. So we just got Joe in here stealing some bits off the Audi. How's that going? What's this? Is this the stolen bits?
Yep.
Nice.
Loads of smoked stuff in there.
Looking good, this Audi. Once the DS3 is done, we'll get on that. But let's get this done first. So yeah, I forgot to show you. So this is what we were doing yesterday when we were doing that soldering and that. So we built this. You've seen the back end of it. So, you know, we obviously added all these clip plugs and that. Did a bit of soldering. It's looking sweet. I was just messing around with that and I messed up one of them on the other side. So we just had to drill and cut that out. A little bit annoying, but our cable in, put that down, is looking sweet. Really happy with it. So, got the fire plugs, got the aerial in now, got everything to the dash. The only cable we're missing is the main power cable running from the front of the engine to the battery here. We just ran out of cable yesterday, so now I'm going to try and tidy up that a bit more See if we got any trim to cover it would be nice. And yeah, see how we go. Why is there a fly in my car? Get out of there. So we've also got the rain light cable in. That's where the aerial is, obviously. So we took out the original. I got this little diddy one in now. And then pulled the cables in, jumped into my loom, retied all that in. It's a bit annoying that we have to cut it all out and redo it, but it's worth it. That's where the camera's going. Because I need a camera at all times, part of the rules. I just chucked the old steering wheel on just to make sure I could steer the car with how much I've raised it. Fitted me timer, that's what I was doing here. So that's hidden in the vent. I thought that was quite cool. And like I said, all the cables are ready. Another weekend of just bloody fiddly bits, but they were good to get done. Should be far off now next weekend. We'll get that sorted and we should have a running, moving car. We'll see, but yeah, we're getting there. It's nice to get the wheels on, nice to get it off the ramp. Actually, you can push it around. Just need, you know, cable. We're short on main power cable, so we'll get that. I messed up that bloody lug, so we fixed it. We're just gonna drill it out, make it a bit easier to fit, and that'll be sorted. My father's gonna do a bit of electrical work, get the dash, probably get the center console bit in, ready from when I come back next weekend, and then it's flat out again. Try and get this thing in. So appreciate the views. Won't be long and we'll go and racing. I cannot wait. It's been a process this car building, but it's been good. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Till next time. Yeah.